break saying means there's another content to be tackled. So for today's video, as you can see on the title of my vlog, I'm going to share to you how to not receive message requests on our Messenger or Facebook Messenger. So I'll interrupt. If you're not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, so please subscribe and hit the notification bell in order for you to be notified on my latest video upload. So we should not waste our time doing this in short. So in 3, 2, and 1, let's start this formal video. So hey guys, nandito na tayo sa screen recorder para ituro ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba hindi makareceive ng message request galing sa ibang mga tao or FB friends natin sa Facebook. So let's start. So yung gagamitin natin is yung messenger na Facebook, yung blue. Or makikita natin dun sa ibang updated na messenger na red-violet yung kulay niya. Sa akin kasi, ganun talaga nakalagay dito. At yung picture niya is ganun talaga. So, FB na messenger yung gagamitin natin guys. Ito. So, kung hindi ganyan guys, is or red-violet yung kulay niya, yun yan. Yung mini-min ko guys. So, let's proceed sa first step. So, bali ito. For example, punta tayo dito sa profile dito sa Messenger. Then, hanapin natin yung privacy. So, ito yung makikita natin. Message delivery, lock accounts, login, security alerts, story audience, muted stories. Sa message delivery tayo guys. So, ito yung makikita natin, people with your phone number can message us, or can message me, rather. Friends of friends on Facebook, accounts you follow or have chatted to on Instagram, your followers on Instagram. So, paano kung unallowed na i-message nila ako or bigyan nila ako ng message request? So, ito lang, don't receive request. So, don't receive requests, yung ilalagay natin lahat guys. So, don't receive request na yung nakalagay lahat. So, let's try naman na i-message natin yung CJ Villanueva na account sa other account ko. Kung hindi ba talaga siya makaka-receive. So, let's wait guys. Ikakat ko muna yung screen record. So, balik tayo sa another account ko. So, linike zone ko yung main account ko. So, ito yung nakalagay. Hindi matatanggap ng account dito ang iyong message dahil hindi dito pinapayagan ng mga request ng bagong message. So, nag-work nga guys. So, i-turn off na natin yun guys. Yung feature na yun. At ibalik natin sa dati. So, punta tayo doon sa message request. Allow na natin. So, ito yung step kung paano natin i-allow ulit. Kasi tinurn off natin. So, guys, inallow na natin ulit kasi naka-turn off kanina yung message request natin. So, let's try ulit na mag-message doon kung makaka-receive na tayo. So, guys, sa pag-allow natin ulit na maka-receive ng message request sa main account ko, tingnan natin sa main account ko. So, ito, nag-hi ako sa other account ko para itry. So, punta tayo sa main account ko. So, allowed na siya guys.
Makaka-message na ako. So that's it. Hope you learned something new. So yun lang guys. Just follow the step.
So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you learned something new, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like, and do comment if necessary, and if you want to be shout out. So that's it. God bless and keep safe everyone.